It's 2 a.m. and I'm going to build my first app. So it's actually my girlfriend and I's 2-year anniversary tomorrow, so I'm building this app for her. The other day, she was telling me that she wishes there was a place that she could see all of her favorite restaurant orders in one place, all of her favorite menu items, right? So her Taco Bell order, her McDonald's order, Dutch Bros order, whatever it is, she wants to be able to see it all in one place. It's kind of like Giftful. She uses this app called Giftful. It's like a Pinterest-style mood board of things that you want, like your wish list. So she'd make her birthday and her Christmas list with Giftful. And there'd be like an image of the item she wants. You'd click on it. It would take you right to the website where you can buy it. Right? So I wanted to do the same thing, but for food. So I decided to sit down and build this app. It took me a couple hours, and there was a little bit of stuff I did ahead of time, like put together the Google Doc and kind of just did like a mock site just to test that the bot actually works and can build apps. So basically I had it ask me everything that it needs from me in order to put the app together. And it came up with this Google Doc that I ended up filling in. So what's the restaurant? What is the item that we want? Like what time of day? So like the breakfast order versus lunch or dinner order. URLs, so links to the website, images, or links to the images of the food items, whatnot. The first run through is going on right now, so it kind of just used random images. It didn't necessarily know or remember that I gave it links to the website, and for some reason it couldn't pull it from the website, couldn't screenshot it or whatever. So I did end up having to go into each item on each website, screenshot it, make a separate folder for it to stay organized. So we're still working on how to make things go a little bit more efficiently, but I was really happy with this initial build out. I definitely wanted it to be kind of like modern, minimalistic, kind of like Apple liquid glass type deal. I'm still trying to figure out how to like prompt this stuff in vibe code, but yeah, I think the initial run through was pretty good. I'm basically just telling it to please refer back to the Google Doc. It keeps going off and doing things on its own. I'm like, stick to the Google Doc. Our orders are literally on there. We're kind of testing out different looks, different UIs. I said, make a perfect looking website. Tech startup, minimal liquid glass, ultra modern. So I just typed that in and reset the bot, compacted it, made a new chat within Telegram. So it's starting fresh, and I basically told it to fix this website and make it nice, make it look good. And it's doing that. There are definitely some tweaks we still need to do, and I kind of had to do a little bit of prompting off camera, just getting it back focused. So the thing is, this whole thing wasn't necessarily hard. The hardest part is just like staying organized, keeping all the files organized, making sure that the bot knows where to find everything, and then kind of just knowing what you want, right? Like you want to tell the bot exactly what you want to see. You do need access to coding, so you have to download Claude code onto the computer. I have my Claude subscription, so I have a certain amount of tokens, I guess, that I can use per month. The whole image thing was kind of hard. I'm still trying to figure out how to give it access to like Canva and give it full access where it can actually edit and do things within Canva. But in the meantime, I had to go in and kind of Photoshop a lot of it myself, screenshot it from the website, and then like do the whole background remover thing. But it's starting to look nice, right? Once I remove the backgrounds and it's starting to put everything into the website, it's starting to look good. As I continue to work with it, I keep refining the UI and the interface, and it starts kind of adding some animations and cleaning up the images, making it all look nicer. This was the final iteration. The logo at the top, we got the kind of light dusty pink vibe for her, and it looks clean. The whole remove background looks great. There's slight animation on each of the images. I was able to get the mobile app downloaded, which was really cool. You download it from GitHub, go on Safari, and you can actually add it to your home screen as a little app. It's not in the App Store or anything, but you sure could put it in there. I'm really excited to see what I can do with this. I'm really excited to continue filming my progress and being able to look back one day and thinking, wow, look at how shitty that app was. Anyway, thanks a lot. I'll post an update soon. I'm probably going to try to refine it a little bit more while I'm at work tomorrow. I'll do that off camera, but maybe I'll show the final product one day. Thanks.